Here together with me is my colleague, Mariana, at the live chat. She is ready to answer your questions throughout the whole streaming. In the second part of this live streaming, I will hand over to Peter. He is the one who is keen to let you have the first live impressions of the new modules of the second StoneLux generation. So actually, it's almost a historical moment because exactly 17 years ago, we presented the first StoneLux kit at the Marmo+Mac here in Verona. And I remember quite well that at that time, we were nervous because we came with a completely new product in a completely new market for professionals to us, for professionals from us. And I remember also some feedback. This is kind of a miracle technology. And by now, in many countries, the StoneLux technology, repair technology has become state of the art. So at the beginning of this year, we already had to decide whether we were going to participate at the Marmo+Mac 21 or not. And we said, yes, we will do it with a clear and ambitious target to launch the second generation of the StoneLux repair technology. Due to the circumstances we are all experiencing right now, we have to admit it was a real challenge because we finished just in time at the very last minute. And so therefore, we are very happy and proud to launch the second generation of the StoneLux repair technology together with you with this live streaming. So there is one technical detail I have to, you have to be aware of. Please switch off your video camera and switch off your microphone so we don't have any disturbing during the live streaming. Thank you very much. So let's have a short look back to the history of StoneLux. The milestones of success of the StoneLux repair technology. In 2004, as I just mentioned, we launched the first repair kit here at the Marmo+Mac in Verona. In 2006, we introduced the TwinLux light, our own development for a powerful light specifically for our repair technology. In 2009, so sorry, there is an official announcement, so I have to stop and wait. Okay, that was very short, so I can continue. So in 2009, we launched the StoneLux tile kit, specifically for repairs on tiles and ceramic. And in 2015, we followed with the multi-lux light for curing large surfaces. And then in 2018, we presented the Eco Kit for the US market. Within all this year, we gained over 10,000 users all over the world. So let's have a close look where these users come from. They do come from all different sectors, like stonemasons, kitchen top producers, tilers, restorers, kitchen manufacturers, house maintenance specialists, stone fabricators, repair service teams, or installation teams. So let's go to the advantages of the StoneLux repair technology. Here we have a summary of the most important details and advantages of our technology. So one important point is the compressive proof, where we have 400 Newton per square millimeter. Another important detail is the bond strength to the stone of 8 Newton per square millimeter. Then the invisible optical integration is a very important detail. Then a very short repair time. We are talking about 10 to 20 minutes. The long-term color stability is important. So if you repair on a white marble, it has to stay white and doesn't have to start yellowing very soon. minimal dust formation is really a good, an important advantage when you repair in existing areas like bathrooms in a hotel, for example. No skin irritation. And the temperature resistant. The material has to be resistant to very low temperatures and also high temperatures. So below 0 and up to 120 degrees, especially for kitchen tops. This is important. So this was actually a summary of the advantage and a look back to the history when we initiated with StoneLux. Now let's have a look to the future. And we come to the second generation of StoneLux now. So the experience of the last 17 years, the continuous exchange with our customers and various users have significantly contributed to this strategic development. If we look at this slide, we tried to make an overview of the key developments of this new generation. So we talk about a module conception, and the idea behind this module conception is not to offer individual assortments, but a basic kit that is specifically supplemented by modules. So in the first stage, we start with the base kit, the professional or the compact kit, and then we have the add-on of the ceramic module. And in future, more add-ons will follow. Then another important key development is the specific add-on ceramic module with 13 color paste matching to quartz stone, solid stone, ceramic, and tiles. The details will follow in a moment. Then we developed a dual primer system. I'll come to the details in a few moments. Then we have a new clip-on case system. Being user-friendly was one of our main targets. Therefore, we offer a new clip-on case system in order to be able to carry all the modules together in one hand. And Peter will show that to you, how it works. Then we come to the fine-tuning. There are different tools and materials inside the new model, which are very helpful in the application. I'll come to the details also later on. And then, last but not least, considerable efforts have been invested into the development of a new powerful light unit, the Bluetron. I will come back to that highlight in a moment. So this is a summary of the key developments in the new generation. So let's go to the next development, to the next slide, sorry. We have a close look into the modules of the new second StoneLux generation. Here you see the StoneLux professional module with all the details. So we do have a dual primer, marble, and engineered stone system. And I explain you what we mean. You all should know the primer, which is used for granite. Now, when you worked on marble or engineered stone, you had to use the pyroxyle gas and the flame. So can we have a zoom, please, on the new primer? Now we developed a new primer, which is specifically supposed to be used for marble and engineered stone. And that means you don't have to use the pyroxyle gas anymore. So that makes the application much easier and is very helpful also for the transport, because we do not have any dangerous good anymore in the StoneLux repair kit, and therefore the costs of the transport are reduced. Then we come to a next important improvement, which is the filler. So let's have a close look in the zoom at the filler. In the professional module, you will find the filler XL in a 30 milliliter cartridge. This is a new formulation for big and deep defects. And here you can see the filler XL in 30 milliliters, which you find in the kit. Okay, then we come to one next detail. You find the X1, X2, and X3 structure crystals for natural crystal effects. You already know some of them, but the X1, the microfine crystals, are new, and that helps you to get better results. Then another new detail, we work with 4 new grinding pads, which are abrasion resistant. And they do have 4 different grit sizes. We start with 400, then 800, 1,500, and 3,000. And that's very helpful for the final result. And then we have the Bluetron, one of the highlights of the development. I will come to the details later on. Then we do have a polishing paste, a new one, and the polishing paste is coming from the jewelry industry. So that means we get even quicker results with higher polish levels. Then we do have cordless fine grinder as an optional inside. Sorry, I forgot to change the slides. Sorry about that. Okay, that's okay. So I told you the polishing paste, it comes from the jewelry industry and it helps to get even higher polished results. We do have as an optional the cordless fine grinder. You have an air bellow, which is easy to remove, which is helpful to remove the dust. We do have a separator pen, which helps to repair structured surfaces. And we do have the sealer for micro gap and hairline cracks. So Mariana, can we have a look at the sealer? So this is a helpful instrument or a helpful material when you have very fine hair cracks or just micro gaps to seal it with. Okay. Then we do have the prep set, the diamond coated preparation tool. So this actually is the content of the professional the second generation of the professional module. So now we move over to the compact module. In the compact module, we're talking about the economic repair solution or the economic repair module. Here you have 3 repair syringes. We have the white, the black, and the transparent color. We do have the dual marble solution again, one for granite and the new one for marble and engineered stone, which replaces the Pyrosil, as I just told you before. Then you will find the X2 structure crystals. You will find the cleaning solution and the polishing paste. You will find the 4 new grinding pads. And you will find one of the important highlights, the Bluetron, the performance curing light, which I will explain and show to you in a moment. So this is the compact module. Now we come to the new add-on ceramic module. The StoneLux second generation ceramic module is a response to the mega market trend of ceramic or engineered stones. We analyzed and defined the most important, the most popular colors in this segment, and the results are 13 best matching StoneLux ceramic colors. Please, let's have a look on the Zoom. So here you can see the 13 best matching StoneLux ceramic colors. Then you do find the X4 structure crystals in the ceramic module. These are macro-sized crystals for engineered stone, because very often in the engineered stone, you have bigger crystallic effects. Then you do find the opaquer in white and black color, and those are a further new instrument for achieving an optimal color match. You do have the separator pen. With the new separator pen, textures of stone surface can be transferred to the repair areas. Oh, sorry, that was too fast. Whoops. And you do have the air barrier shell, which helps you to get glossy surfaces without grinding and polishing. And then in the ceramic module, you also find the diamond sintered grinding tools for the preparation of very hard ceramic surfaces. We have a look at it in the Zoom. Okay. So now we are coming to one very important highlight. The new high performance curing light Bluetron. And we have a look. This is the initial idea or design of the study when we developed the new light unit. We have developed this light unit right from the scratch. And here you really see one of the first drawings. And then here comes the final result with the exciting features, like we have power from 3 battery packs with 4 single batteries in each. And that leads to a performance which is 9 times higher than before. It is equipped with 3 high power LED blue light of the latest generation. And as a consequence, curing speed is 4 times faster than before. We reduced from 1 minute to just 15 seconds. So now I will switch over to Peter, who is ready for the first live impressions for you.
Okay, thank you, Hani, for this introduction. Let's now have a look into the real cases and to what our users in future can expect. And as Hani mentioned, we did a fundamental change in our strategic way how to repair in future. We switched from individual repair cases to integrated repair modules. And in the first step, we can offer the market 2 basic modules and 1 add-on module. The result you see here, starting with our basic professional module. This is the new professional compact kit or module. And here you see the module which is focusing on the repair of engineered or ceramic surfaces. Now let's have a close look to the various modules and let's start with the professional kit. I open to see what is available to create the premium or best repairs in the future. If you have a close look in it, you see there is an organization of all the elements or parts of this assortment divided in a bottom and in the lid part of the case. In the bottom part, you see all the tools, instruments, which are necessary for a professional repair. Whereas you see in the lid or upper part, you see all the necessary materials and accessories for that. Let's give you a few examples how this is organized. One example is a standard repair. For a standard repair, you find the repair paste in the center of the upper part. The curing light to cure the materials is also centered, but in the lower part. So this is a play between upper and lower part if you do a standard repair. Hani mentioned also that we did a new development on a filler materials, which are packed in 30 milliliter cartridges. You see this are here available. The applicator to, oh, now a short stop as there is an announcement. That's Italian language. Takes a bit longer. Okay, let's continue. So for this 30 milliliter, sorry, button. So let's continue. For this 30 milliliter fillers, you find the applicator also in the bottom of this professional case. Let's have a closer look. As Hani mentioned, also we replaced the pyrosil gas and flamer with a new primer, and you find the primer and the other pens here on the right side. This line, we have all these structure crystals available, and we added a new one in this kit for the fine grinding, the X1 crystals in black, in white, and in transparent colors. Okay, let's have a look into the compact kit, which is the one who is more for the economic work. Also here the same principle in organizing: tools, equipments on the bottom, material and some accessories on the lid part. Here we concentrate on the main needed colors in transparent, white and black. We focused on X2 crystal structure crystals, and we have also the two primers for marble and engineered stone and the one for granite stone. And of course here also in the center you see the new Bluetron curing light. And if you look at the workflow, also here you start from the left side with a cleaning solution. You go over into a repairing situation here, and you go down in curing and in polishing and finishing on the right side. So the concept of this compact module is also very ergonomic and workflow oriented. That's an important part for the daily work. Okay, let's now have a look to the add-on module, which we call StoneLux Ceramics. Let's have a close look. What you see here in the focus are 13 new colors to repair engineered stone, or better said, quartz stone or ceramic slabs. So to produce these 13 colors was relatively easy. The main efforts, and it was really a long and complicated work, was to find out the right colors. What are the most popular colors in the market from the various suppliers? Bring that together and focus it down to a handle of 13 colors. And this was a real challenge. And yes, the result you see here, colors which represents the most popular colors from the various suppliers, packed from black into Kronos white. This is the focus of this add-on kit. We have some, as Hani said, also sometimes there are some intense material required. We call that opaque material. We have also the white and the black available. Of course, we have the mega and big structure crystals. We call this X4, which are available in the standard colors, black, white, and transparent. And what we realized as well, if you have to prepare ceramic slabs, a regular tool would not really work. So we looked for diamond sintered tools, and we will see in practical life how perfect they work and how intense they can do the preparation work on ceramic slabs. So this was a short introduction in the 3 modules we have available in the first step of this new StoneLux generation. And of course, further modules will come, for example, a new one for a perfect finish, but this will require some time. And maybe on the next Marmo+Mac, we will have the one or the other new module available for our customers as well. One practical point is how to carry various cases if you have a work to do. It's not a big challenge if you have one case, but if you have various models, this could be really something challenging. And to make life easier in the daily work, we looked for the right cases to work with that. We ended up in a case system like this. We call it a click or clip-on system. So all the various models can click or can be clipped together. Here in this example, you see the basic kit on the bottom clipped on with the ceramic kit. And it's all is fixed, as you see. One hand to carry on. You get it off by simply pressing the red button, and you take that off as an individual kit. So now we just click it or clip it on again. I hope not the famous demonstration effect will happen here, but very simple. You click it on, go back, and it's fixed. So this is also an answer from our side, how to make daily life, daily work easier for our customers in future. There is one more thing to show. As Hani said, we are really excited about our new curing light. We call it Bluetron. And one essential advantage of this light is to reduce the curing time from originally 1 minute to only 15 seconds. Now we would like to demo you how this works in reality. Mariana? Switch to glass. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we are coming to the summary with the last demonstration of one of the really important highlights, the Bluetron high-performance curing light, which reduces the curing time from 1 minute to 15 seconds. So from our side, we hope that this has been informative for you. We ensure you that we will put all our efforts in getting ready with this new second generation of StoneLux technology for the beginning of next year. We will keep you updated, and we really look forward to seeing you soon personally again. And we really hope that will be soon. And we look forward to for your feedback, and just say bye-bye from Verona to
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye-bye. Arrivederci.
Arrivederci.